Up for sale, 1971 Land Rover 88. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 71 Land Rover 88 Series 2A. 4-cylinder, 4-speed, 4x4. Finished in green with black interior. As always, you know, I'm going to go around it, put in anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, and then drive it. So, of course, we'll start here in the front as always. And I've never had one before, so we're going to be figuring things out as we go around it together. But what I do know is that this is a factory color. The body's aluminum, so what does that mean? No rust on the body. It does have some patina, as you see there. What I feel like, you're going to Africa, you book a safari, this is what they're going to pick you up in. You can see the new steering components there. Newer leaf springs as well, front and back. Stainless exhaust. I really like these decals, this kind of stuff. Spare on the hood, which is cool. You can see, you know, some of the stuff around the windows, but again, no cracked glass. Sliding windows. Right-hand drive. Kind of need two hands for some of this stuff, but I'll make it work. There we go. You don't want that to happen. Anyway, that'll be extremely difficult to get off. I'm just trying to think what else, though. The tires are pretty recent, a lot of tread left. Looks like a stainless exhaust. The 4-cylinder engine runs like a sewing machine. Now I need two hands to open this, just bear with me for a second. Okay. Anyway, because you gotta, well, with the tire, of course it's heavy, you gotta line it up, bend it back. Super clean in here. Some things I noticed, like this little attention to detail, that kind of attention to detail. These, the tag on top of the valve cover, type of coil, the tag on the brake booster, again, just pretty interesting, again, you know, things that I'm paying attention to. Wiring looks tidy all the way around. Like underhood looks nice. You see some, you know, chips and stuff, but clean. The green in here looks good. Got that. Yeah, I mean, very, very interesting. So let's fire it up. Oh, wrong side. Let you guys hear it run. Now another, you know, patina, but here's something cool. So you lift, open it, but like you don't close it that way. You gotta lift, shut, drop the handle. Obviously, if you like these, you know. I took pictures of these tags as well. I mean, so many different things here. Okay, that's the clutch. Yeah, that's the clutch. Got the grenade here. And, look at that, no gas. Okay, make sure we're good. You could just, she just runs so smooth. Quiet exhaust as well, which is right over here. Nice. Put that back in gear so she doesn't roll. Okay. Cool. So we will do one thing at a time here. We'll just go down the, I guess, passenger side of the car this time around. So here you go. Little chip there. What is this? Like a little scuff right there. blemishes here. Like a little crack there, but some other little chips. Now I have a ton of parts for the car. I actually have the soft top frame, a soft top. I have a back door for it, gas can. I'm gonna take pictures of it all, some manuals, some booklets, extra parts as well. Gas tank on both sides, of course. So again, like I said, you open it up. Obviously you can't shut it like that, so you lift, drop. I left the plastic on this seat to kind of really show how new it is. So you can see this is excellent. They put a little console in there. That seat looks great. Both back seats look great as well, but if, you know, when I get to the back, I'll show you that. Doors look like doors. I mean, you can see a little bit of this here. I assume this is not aluminum, but not bad still. Like when you look here, you can see the hem is still nice all the way down. Floors look real good. I mean, this is another thing that I'm paying attention to, or that I would normally pay attention to. Nice in there. All the little patina on here. Aluminum floors, I would assume then. Really cool. Newer rear view mirror. And the paint for the hardtop is nice. Slides one way, slides the other way. Couple little marks there. I mean, there's marks on the wheels as well, but you see a couple little marks here, marks there, there. This window and this seal is pristine. Big tow hitch, and you can see some other blemishes, of course, here. Now, what I have for it is it's pretty much a whole, I'm switching hands, my hands are freezing. It's a whole back door that this, you know, opens up, this opens down. It looks like it would fit in and open out like that. So that's included, of course. And then to get in this, you go like that, like that. She drops down. And this is solid here. I can't say whether or not to be an area that would rust, but it looks solid. And then under here, you know, patina original. Cool. The actual floors and all that, like the body braces, those are nice. There's no rust under the truck either. A little scratch has been touched up. Well, I shouldn't say a little, but a scratch has been touched up. The condition of the top is actually really nice, by the way. And it looks like the same thing here on this side. And then a little bit here. But even then, see, look, it's got the front wheel drive to disengage instructions, the locking hubs. I mean, I like all that kind of stuff. Zoom out a little bit. I do like that it's got seat belts as well. But we're gonna finish this rest of this door and then hop into the truck shortly after that. Show it drive it around the block. See some like little cracks around here. Yeah, 71 Land Rover 88 Series 2A. And we're gonna fire it up, drive it, show it drive, and get in for the driving. And thank you. The bathroom was. I can see them trying to cut right in front of us.
I know.
I know.
Did you go off road? Yeah. Brazil, you should take this with you.
Yeah, I know.
How much it costs? It's $3,500. That was my neck. Yeah. That was my back.
Well, no, it's no synchro, so you have to. Yeah.
No?
The inside of the top is really nice.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It'd be cool to take this thing off road.
I know. You can tell it's cold in here. We can see each other's breaths.
Yeah. No, it's nice. I put the air on. The guys from the village, they were going nuts.
Oh, I'm sure.
They pulled over and they had to head out the window.
Okay.
I should Jaguar.
Oh, bye.
Fitting? I don't know. This guy will make a